Hey guys, thanks for watching AOMEI. In this video I'll tell you how to clone SSD to larger SSD in Windows. You may clone SSD to larger SSD for following reasons. 1. Expand storage space. 2. Speed up your computer. 3. Save time compared to copy and paste. To clone SSD to larger SSD, you need reliable disk cloning software. Here I'd like to recommend AOMEI Backuper Standard. It is free and it supports Windows 10, 8.1, 8, 7, Vista and XP. Nearly all common SSD brands are supported in AOMEI Backuper, such as Samsung, Crucial, PNY, Kingston, SanDisk, etc. Various SSD interface types are supported in AOMEI Backuper either, such as SATA, mSATA, SSD, PKI, M.2, etc. Follow the steps below to install AOMEI Backuper. First, search AOMEI Backuper in your search engine. Go to AOMEI's official website and download AOMEI Backuper. Then, install AOMEI Backuper. It will be installed in a minute. After you launch AOMEI Backuper, you'll see the user-friendly interface. There are 4 major sections. The first section is Home. After you have created backups with AOMEI Backuper, you can manage your backup tasks here. The second section is Backup. You can choose System Backup, File Backup, File Sync, Disk Backup or Partition Backup based on your needs. The third section is Restore, where you can restore your computer from the backups you've created. The last section is Clone. You will face 3 options here: System Clone, Disk Clone, and Partition Clone. You can transfer data easily with these options. Here are the detailed steps to clone SSD to larger SSD. Preparation: Connect the target SSD to your computer and make sure it is detected. Backup files on the destination SSD if there are, because the destination SSD will be overwritten in the cloning process. Then, you can use AOMEI Backuper for disk clone. Step 1. Click Clone and select Disk Clone. Step 2. Select the original SSD as the source disk and click on Next. Step 3. Select the destination SSD you have connected to your computer and click Next. Step 4. Optional. If the SSD is not empty, the program will prompt you all partitions on SSD will be deleted. Click OK to continue. Step 5. In the operation summary page, click Edit Partitions and then choose Add Unused Space to All Partitions option to make full use of the storage space on the larger SSD. Step 6. Tick SSD Alignment. This option can accelerate the reading and writing speed of the SSD disk. Then, click Start Clone to begin. Tips. Sector by sector clone. It will clone every sector on the destination SSD no matter it is used or not, thus making the Edit Partitions option unavailable. There are 2 methods to boot from the cloned SSD. 1. Install the SSD in the second drive bay and change boot order in BIOS. 2. Replace the smaller SSD with the larger SSD and restart your computer. AOMEI Backuper offers you the easiest way to clone SSD to larger SSD in Windows. Use free AOMEI Backuper to start your new data protection journey. AOMEI Backuper, best disk cloning program for you.